Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Okay. The students, let us go to the first problem. Find the probability of getting two diamonds if we draw two cards at random from a pack of 52 cards. Okay, here we have to get the event is defined as getting two diamonds. It is when if we draw two cards at random from a pack of 52 cards. Okay, now let us know about the pack of cards. Okay, a pack of cards consists of 52 cards. It is also called as deck. Deck contains 52 cards. Okay, these 52 cards can be divided into 4 suits. Okay, and each suit consists of 13 cards. Each suit consists of 13 cards. Okay, 4 suits are there and each suit consists of 13 cards. Among these 52 cards, 26 are in black color and 26 are in red color. Okay, and in black color there are two suits. 13 are spades, 13 are clubs. Therefore spades and clubs are in black color. Similarly, 13 are diamonds, 13 are hearts. Diamonds and hearts are in red color. Therefore, how many diamonds are there in the pack of cards? There are 13 diamonds. How many hearts are there? There are 13 hearts. Similarly, 13 clubs and 13 spades. This is about the pack of cards. Okay, deck consists of 52 cards. Okay, now in our problem there are 52 cards in the pack of cards and we have to draw two cards at random and we have to find out the probability of getting two diamonds if we draw two cards at random from a pack of 52 cards. Okay, therefore first of all I have to find out the number of exhaustive cases, that is the number of ways to choose two cards among 52 cards. Number of ways to choose two cards among 52 cards. It is given by, since we have to choose two cards among 52, we have to find out the number of combinations of choosing two cards among 52, that is 52 C2. Okay, this value is given by 52 into 51 by 2 into 1. Its value is 1326. Okay, therefore number of exhaustive cases is equal to 13 to 6. Okay, this is the number of ways to choose two cards whether they are diamonds or not. Two cards we have to draw. It does not matter whether these two cards are diamonds or not. This is possible ways to choose 2 chords among 52 chords. Therefore, it is number of exhaustive cases. Now, we have to find out the number of elements in the sample space. Here, event is defined as of getting 2 diamonds. Okay, how many diamonds are there? Already we learned that there are 13 diamonds in the 52 chords. They are in red color, but color is not important in this problem. Number is important. 13 diamonds are there in 52 chords. Among these 13 diamonds, we have to select 2 diamonds. Therefore, number of favorable cases of getting 2 diamonds among 13 diamonds, because there are 13 diamonds in the pack of cards. 13 diamonds is given by 13C2. That is the number of combinations to choose 2 among 13. 13C2. Its value is given by 13 into 12 by 2 into 1. 6 times cancel. 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 13 into 6. Okay. 78. 78 ways are there, favorable cases. Therefore, required probability is given by number of exhaustive cases by number of favorable ways, favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Okay, how many ways are there? Favorable cases are there 78 ways. Therefore, 78 ways by number of exhaustive cases. Number of exhaustive cases is 1326. 1326. This is required probability. On simplifying it, we get 1 by 17. Therefore, the probability for getting 2 diamonds, if we draw 2 chords at random from a pack of 52 chords, is 1 by 17. Okay, now let us go to the second problem. Okay, second problem is 3 chords are drawn from a pack of 52 chords. Find the probability that 3 are spades, 2 spades, 1 diamond, and third problem is 1 spade, 1 diamond, 1 heart. Okay, we have to find out the probabilities of these 3 cases. In the first case, 3 are spades. We know that spades are in black color and they are 13 in number. Okay, among these 13 spades, we have to select 3 spades. Therefore, number of favorable cases is given by 13C3. Number of exhaustive cases, 3 cards are drawn, whether they are diamonds or not, or spades or hearts or anyone. 3 cards are drawn. 3 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Therefore, number of exhaustive cases is given by 52C3. Number of favorable cases, the first case is given by 13C3. Okay, number of favorable cases, since there are 13 spades, number of favorable cases is given by 13C3. Okay, let us do first problem. 3 are spades. 3 are spades. First, let us find out number of exhaustive cases. Number of exhaustive cases is same for all 3 cases. Therefore, let us find out the number of exhaustive cases first. Number of exhaustive cases to choose 3 cards. 3 cards among deck consists of 52 cards. 52 cards is equal to 52 C3. The number of combinations to select 3 cards among 52 cards, 52 C3. Okay, its value is given by 52 into 51 into 50 by 3 into 2 into 1. On calculating this value, we get 22,100. Okay, now first case, 3 are spades. Therefore, you have to select these 3 spades among 13 spades, because there are only 13 spades among 52 cards. Therefore, we are able to select these spades among 13 spades. Therefore, number of favorable cases, is equal to number of possible ways to select 3 spades among 13 spades. But this is nothing but number of combinations to select 3 cards among 13, that is 13 C3. Okay, 13 into 12 into 11 by 3 into 2 into 1. On calculating this value, we get 286. Therefore, the required probability is given by number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Here the number of favorable case is 286. 286 divided by number of exhaustive cases. Number of exhaustive cases is 22,100. Okay, 22,100. Okay. On calculating this value, we get 11 by 850. This is required probability to select 3 spades among 52 cards. 52 cards. Now, let us go to the second elementary problem. In the second elementary problem, we must choose a set that consists of 2 spades, 1 diamond. 2 spades, 1 diamond. Among 3 cards, if we select 3 cards, among 3 chords we must have 2 spades, 1 diamond. Okay. Therefore, here how to find out the number of favorable ways to select 2 spades, 1 diamond. First of all, have to find out to select 2 spades among 13 spades and 1 diamond among 13 diamonds. By using product rule, we have to product them to get total number of ways to choose 2 spades and 1 diamond. Okay. Already I said that number of exhaustive cases is common for all cases. Number of exhaustive cases is same for all cases, that is 22,100. Therefore, there is no need to find out number of exhaustive cases. Therefore, let us find out the number of ways, number of possible ways, number of favorable ways, favorable ways to choose 2 spades and 1 diamond. Now, first of all, for the spades, let us find out number of possible ways. Number of favorable ways to choose okay, let us take both of them, that is 2 spades and 1 diamond. Okay, 2 spades, 1 diamond. Here there are 13 diamonds. See, among these 13 spades, among these 13 spades we have to select 2 spades, that is 13C2 into, we have to select 1 diamond among 13 diamonds, that is 13C1. Here product rule is applicable because we have to select both of them. Okay, we have to select 2 cards from the spades and 1 card from diamond. Since we have to select both of them, spades and diamond, we have to use product rule. For example, we have to select only one kind of packs, that is either from spades or diamond, then we have to use plus sum rule. But here we have to select both of them, 2 spades and 1 diamond. Therefore, here we have to use product rule. In some cases there will be plus, and in some cases there will be into. Okay, therefore one is sum rule and another is product rule. If we have to select both of them, we have to use product, and in other cases we have to select any one of them, then we have to use the number of ways for it, for plus 13C2 into 13C1. Therefore 13 into 12, 2 into 1 by into 13. Okay, 6 times cancel, 6 into 13, 78 into 13. Okay, therefore required probability is equal to number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Here number of favorable cases 78 into 13 by number of exhaustive cases, which is common to all, is 22,100. 22,100. 22,100. On calculating this value, we get 39 by 850. Okay. This is exercise problem. Do yourself. Here, one is spade, one is diamond, one is heart. There are 13 spades, but we have to select one. There are 13 diamonds, but we have to select one diamond. There are 13 hearts, therefore we have to select one heart. Therefore, number of exhaustive cases is same, that is 22,100, but number of ways to choose one spade among 13 is 13C1. Number of ways to choose one diamond among 13 diamonds is 13C1. Similarly, to choose one heart among 13 hearts is 13C1. Therefore, totally by the product rule, number of ways to choose one spade, one diamond, one heart is given by 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. 13 into 13 into 13, 169 into 13, something, some value. Therefore, you can easily find out the required probability by using the formula number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Okay.